Ladies and gentlemen, this morning really I told you all that I don't need a mic to speak or lecture to you all because normally I am a bit loudmouth man, talk loud so that when we don't have mics, all can hear. First and foremost, let me thank the ACC for giving me this opportunity of saying a few words, and also thank the ACC, Mr. Ashraful Haq, Mr. Sultan Rana, Mr. Ganeshan Murthy, and the rest of the staff for all the assistance that you have been giving us during our 5 to 6 years as umpires, instructors. This is the third, I think, occasion that I have been at KL to conduct a course. The most important thing I would like to make a request from the participants is that don't waste this opportunity. If I remember correctly, the email Mr. Ganeshan Murthy sent to the countries was to requesting people who are umpiring in your countries to attend this, at least initially umpiring, to attend this course. But unfortunately this morning, Mr. Isaiah informed me there are beginners. But we did not feel discouraged by that because it gives us, myself and Keezer, great pleasure in instructing new umpires. Because what we are trying to do is, for the 30 or 35 years of umpiring that we have done, to give back something to cricket in the Asian region countries. So, first and foremost, I thank ACC for giving myself and my colleague Keezer this opportunity to come to KL and conduct. And I have been to this beautiful country so many times. I think the first time I really came was in 1998 when I was selected by the ICC to be one of the official umpires of the Commonwealth Games. And also I had the privilege and the luck and opportunity of officiating the final with Steve Buckner, plainly because Australia came to the final. Otherwise, as a Sri Lankan, I always admire Mr. Darale as one of the best umpires in the world. But unfortunately, our countrymen love to hate him because of the morality issue. But he is one of the best umpires that I have ever umpired, and he is one of the best umpires who can be a partner to you. So it happens, these things happen. So as I told you this morning, please make use of these opportunities that the ACC has given under tremendous expenses. You all know it's not easy to get 30 to 36 people to a location and then pay your hotel, airfare and all that. It costs money. So I hope on behalf of Keezer and myself, I hope that you will take something from this course. Don't waste your time. If you are not interested, you can tell the organizers and stay away. But please make it. Today, I have found that the participants are very interested, very attentive. So I hope this goes on for the next 3 to 4 days. And also I found that the participants are really enjoying themselves because on our return trip to the hotel, the participants are having a sing-song and all that. All that is there. Especially the gentleman from Maldives. I think I don't know whether he was trying to impress the ladies who were present, because this is the first time, to tell you the fact, this is the first time I have ever had so many ladies. But what Kisa says is, they heard that I was coming to. So, on behalf of both of us, may I first thank Mr. Sultan Rana, because Mr. Ashraf will not here, for all the encouragement, assistance, and everything done for this course. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a good evening. Right? Enjoy yourself. Thank you.